Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening the video. I am inside of Luana, St. Elizabeth, and I have a house lot for sale. Stay tuned, don't go away, because this one may be for you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell, or buy, or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening the video. We are in Jamaica and we are about to exit Holland, Bamboo actually. So you're just gonna get a little piece of it, everybody. We just left Lacovia. Lacovia is home to Palmbrook Estate. Remember we were selling those last year. And those of you who took action, congratulations.
I know persons have started to build.
Persons have started, yes. So we have a resale for you though. So if you didn't take action then, you can probably take action now, right, Tony?
Right.
Where are we headed? We're heading to Luana. So we have a piece of land to sell as well in Luana, right?
Right.
That lot is how big, you remember?
No, it's not just a housing spot.
It's a house spot, yes. So signs running across the screen, everybody. So if you want to live in Luana, which is same place in St. Elizabeth, then give us a call. Stay tuned. We're driving there. Those of you not familiar with the journey and how to get there, then stay with us. We're driving straight to Luana. We should be coming up to middle quarters would be our next main area that you would know. Middle quarters is known for shrimp, Tony.
Can we get shrimp today?
Yeah. If they're out, they should be out. So we're gonna buy shrimp. So everybody, I got a message today. Somebody messaged me today and said he has been procrastinating and he so regrets his procrastination. Alright, so you can go to the right and go to Wise Falls.
Oh, Wise Falls is near here?
Yes.
I haven't been there in a while.
Wise Falls. How was it when you went there?
Wonderful. It was amazing. Like the waterfall is just huge. Huge. And then they had like the river came right through. But then they had a section there where they created a pool from the river.
Okay, cool.
Alright, that was really nice.
So I think are we in middle quarters yet? I think so.
Maybe there's a sign.
Past the sign. But no, I don't think we're there yet. Would have seen the shrimp people. Alright, everybody. So we're talking about, he was talking about that he procrastinated. How many of you have had a good deal on the table? Deal is right in front of you. Don't have to be real estate, can be another deal. Maybe a man asks you to marry you. Middle quarter sign here.
I told him no.
Are you hesitated? No, I never tell him no. You hesitate. If you didn't say no, it would be so bad.
You made a decision.
You made a decision, but you hesitated. You know, you're wondering, is this a good
So the shrimp there? Pass it.
I pass a shrimp. There should be others. Let me see. Middle quarters. Shrimp. Whoopsie.
And it's off the road.
My goodness. Didn't that truck seem too close?
It was.
Alright, so we were talking about procrastination. Tony's still eating our pepper shrimp. But everybody, when you procrastinate, you lose your opportunity. You lose your advantage or your competitive edge that you may have had, you know? So, like me, about 4 years ago, saw this 10-acre farmland selling for $5 million. The land had a spring, the land had a river behind it. The land had fruit trees to kill. And the land them go say nutmeg pan tree. Nutmeg pan tree. I never even know it's a nutmeg grow pan tree. The man showed me the red pot. I said, nutmeg. Him said, nutmeg drop, nutmeg in it. And I take out top and I say, yes, nutmeg in it, right? It had every tree you could imagine. As a matter of fact, it had apple. I remember eating apple off the tree. The apple ripe on the tree. Pick the apple and eat it. I said, Claudia, why you don't buy the land? I had the land selling. Some of you probably came and looked at that land that I had selling. Land was in retreat content. You probably remember the video. I don't know if we still have the video running. I hesitated. I procrastinated. I was undecided. I could not move forward because I didn't make a decision. If I had made a decision, I said, yes, Claudia, I'm going to buy that land. You know, 2 tools, I roll up the money there and buy it. That's how it is, everybody. You must make a decision to do something. When you make that decision, you don't procrastinate, you don't wait, you don't say, I'll do it tomorrow. Put this off here, man, and just deal with this.
Yeah, because when you do that, there's other elements going against you because you're not making that decision.
Yes. And while you're doing that, the world is moving. The world is moving, you know. The world not waiting on you. You understand? So time is going and things are changing, things are happening. So procrastination, indecision, 2 main things why persons have not been able to buy a property, right? So they see the perfect house, they love it. When they go inside, yes, them see them furniture in it and everything. They hesitate. Is there a better deal down the road?
Maybe.
No, they're hesitating. They're thinking, is there a better deal down the road?
Yeah, maybe there is a better deal down the road.
And maybe there isn't.
Maybe there isn't.
So, what do you do? Maybe there isn't. Therefore, what I do, I take the deal that's in front of me.
All the time?
Times that I don't take the deal that's in front of me, I always regret it. Like the farmland.
So is it that you look at the deal and you say, yes, this works for me now, and you do the deal?
Yes. It works for me right now. And I do the deal. Like I was buying a lot, I tell you, all the deals that I've not taken, I end up regretting. I was getting a lot inside of the Vistas in Runaway Bay.
Right.
For 3.5, remember? They were selling it?
Yeah, I remember.
When I got the survey, it had a sewage line running to the side of it. And I said to Claudia, no, this sewage line is going to be a problem. And I made it a problem in my head. The land had a good, excellent sea view. Flat land, easy to build on.
Right.
Just a little house spot. The thing is, I wasn't even going to build a big house. To this day, that thing vexed me. Because I called the developers, I said, listen, hey, you put the sewage line on the side. I'm going to have to give a 10 feet reservation for this sewage line. Therefore, narrowing up my lot.
Right. And it wasn't a big lot to begin with.
It wasn't a big lot. I complained. I said, okay, Claudia, fine, no problem. We'll give you the land for 2.5 million.
What was the original price?
3.5.
Oh my gosh, you got what, 700,000 off?
I got $1 million off. I was getting the land for 2.5 and I did not take the deal. I still was fussing about the sewage line. Well, somebody else took the deal and build them house. And you know what beat me and hurt me? I did not want to build no big house.
So you could have left the 10-foot clearance?
Of course.
With no problem.
With no problem. I could have just put a simple little garden over it, or, you know, put some park benches out there and that would have been it.
Right, and it's a sewage line, so chances are it was a 1 full length of pipe that was there. The connection.
Chances are, yeah. I mean, this is maybe an 8-inch sewage line, you know.
Oh, so you'd probably see it and forget it.
You don't see the sewage line. Yeah. The only reason I knew it was there was because it actually came on the survey.
And it wouldn't have affected you building your property wall?
No, it wouldn't have. Remember, I have to step away from. It's just that instead of giving an easement between me and the neighbor, I said, Claudia, okay, your line stop here and the neighbor stop over 10 feet over.
And then the sewage is in between.
What I did was put the sewage on my side.
Right.
You know, so I saw this thing as a big problem, guys. Let me tell you something.
So would you say 3 years ago you weren't an experienced investor?
Really, Tony, I'm a seasoned, experienced investor.
So why you made such a boo-boo?
Read Rich Dad Poor Dad, back to front. Every single book the man bring out, I have it. Guide to Investing, Cash Flow Quadrant, you name it, ABC of Real Estate, I have it. Read it inside out.
No, it like Bible.
I was there thinking, oh, the bank is not going to lend me on this. The bank is not going to lend. You know, you always look at the property and say, would the bank lend any money on this? I don't know why I never take the deal. I could have built a little $5 million 2-bedroom house, have it there, put the lookout on the roof.
Right.
I didn't have to put the lookout on the ground. I could have put the lookout on the roof because the house is small. But I could put the balconies and all of that on the roof.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
But at the time you weren't thinking about tiny house concepts. So.
No, I wasn't. And I met the deal pass for people to fix.
And it was a nice lot, you know.
It was. The view was
sea
excellent.
was nice.
Yes, and you're looking at the Grand Bahia Principe Hotel. So everybody, like you, I procrastinate too.
That wasn't procrastination, that was indecision.
Indecision?
No,
yeah, that was indecision.
Here. Go straight.
Oh, I need to go straight. All right, let me go back through the gas station. We're in Luana, everybody. I sold a lot down here, which is why I got, I turned here in Arrow. This particular lot is actually down further on this main road, all right? So don't turn right like what I did, just past the gas station. Now, so my thing was indecision at the time. I don't let that reach me again, I see the deal. I can't grab the deal, I take it. Even if I can't grab it, I start to wheel and deal. Yeah, man, if I can't take it, I start to wheel and deal, man. I say, listen, I have $10 now. By next week, I will have the next $10 now. And so, and work it out, and try to get all vendors' mortgage and all these things. Oh, we need to talk to them about vendors' mortgage. I'll discuss that in another video, everybody. But, yeah, procrastination or indecision, no, that's not your friend, all right? You don't want to do that. Tony said the land there that was sold, so the person start building.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah, they've started. Wow. I just love when I sell people land and them start building over.
Yeah.
So good. All right, so we're actually looking out for, what we're looking out for, a switch pond?
Yes.
Or some kind of pond.
Right.
So that we can make the right turn into the scheme.
Have we been down this road before?
No, I've never been down this road. No, we may have, when we're heading to, I think this takes us to Black River, doesn't it? I don't know. I'm turned around now, guys, but we are supposed to be turning, making a right turn. Are you mapping this, or we're guessing?
No, I'm mapping.
Oh, you're mapping.
It's
all
the
right.
next turning.
Next turn, everybody. Oh, the shrimp was good. The peppery gone. Now I drank some water and I'm good. Oh, see it here. Turn right here, so. All right. Then where we go from here?
Keep left.
Keep left at this little mini fork. And then where?
Second left.
Then the second left turn. All right, so we have a lot selling, everybody. So this road is Marley Street. So persons in this scheme would have bought the land and build. Brown Street, this one.
Let me see.
Go from here.
Go up road. Turn on Buchanan.
It's a road, girl. It's not a dead end. What the fuck is that T-junction?
The road is the second from here.
Yeah. See that Murray Street.
The second lot. So it should be this.
All right, everybody. So I'm here at the land. Which one of you want to build a house on a flat piece of land? Here it is. Do not procrastinate. Make a decision. This land is when you say flat like a pancake. Nothing to squeal about. Not even a stone on the land. And I see you get a mango trees in the back. So it's not disturbing you. It looks like a mango tree, yes. So the land is basically between a peg right down there and this light post right here. The land is at a good price, so two of you can come together and join your NHT, buy this and build your house and live happily ever after. How are you doing, sir? I'm good, I'm good. All right, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is for you. Give us a call, 876-292-6776. And remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate.